Hello there, I'm Vlad and welcome to London. In today's video I'm going to show you how you can order your favorite coffee or your favorite food from Starbucks using your smartphone and how easy it is. All you have to do is to open the Starbucks application in your phone, and then you will choose the restaurant or the coffee shop of Starbucks which you want to purchase the meal or coffee in. So let's do it. I will choose the London Bridge Hayes Gallery, and then you can select from drinks, food, bakery. You've got featured food and featured drinks, and also your previous orders. For example, in my case it was a high latte. Or you can already select some of your other favorite, so you will have them in the favorite lists, which is here, and you can just add whatever you want. So I will add the plain out chocolate croissant, and then freshly brewed coffee. You are going to your order. It looks like this. You can of course modify it. You can add toppings or any other things. You click continue. You will choose take it in or take away. I will choose take away. And this you can do in a train, in the bus, in the car, whenever you want, on the walk. And of course by the time you will arrive to the shop, it will be ready for you. You will just pick it up, and you can enjoy your meal in, or you can take it out in the weather like this. So now we've got the order. Preparing time 3 to 8 minutes, and it's about maybe 100 meters from here by foot. So I will click order. I got prepaid credit on my Starbucks card, but you can pay by Apple Pay or by your phone or by the card which you have stored in your phone, or you can even pay directly in the shop. So let's click the order. Okay, see you soon, Vladimir. Order is done. It's so easy like this, and you can check the directions where it is, and obviously I will click the walk, and it says like 6 minutes. So by the time I will get there, it should be ready for me. So let's have a look and let's check. Hi, I have a mobile order here. Okay, thank you very much. Sorry. So order is here. Let's enjoy it.